Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see about dates. With this what we can do is we can get our current time, current date and few more things which we are going to see in this video. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing so you won't miss any future content. Now let's get into the video. Yes. So dates is a object in JavaScript. With that help, we can get the current time and current date as well. Okay. So in this object, in the dates object, we'll have a few methods. With the help of that, we can achieve or we can get the time and dates. Okay. So let's see how we can initialize the dates object first. Okay. So what you can do is you can create a variable. I'll say dt. Okay. Date. That's it, and equal to, and then you have to use new keyword and this date method in order to have the object. Okay, dates object. So this particular thing you have to use, and whatever value it will going to return you will get into the dt. Okay, with dt you can access the dates now. So now what we can do is, here I'll have console. In this console, let's try to get the hours. Okay, current hours. So right now if you see here, in the bottom, probably you can see 16, 19. 19 is the time, 16 is the hour. So it should return us 16 hours. Okay, so let's say hours and then function braces. Okay, so dt is a object of date, and in this object we have methods. Okay, which we can use with using the dot. Okay, so let me do again here directly, dt dot get hours. Okay, so this will going to return us the hours, current hours. Okay, and as we have as it is going to return it, we know that if it is returning we have to store it some way. Either we can create one more variable called like hours equal to this, or we can directly put this whole thing in a console. Okay, let's not do that, let's have this way and let's console it here, hours. Okay, and I'll say here in double quotes as well, hours and comma. Okay, so yeah, if I try to run this, it will going to print us the hours, which is the 16. In the bottom you can see 16 hours. Okay, so I'll open a new terminal and we can run this file now. This is the 21st file. Yep, now you see hours, it's saying 16. Okay, so this is how you can get it, the current hours. Okay, the whole time we have to get, right? So let's create the minutes as well, equal to dt dot get minutes. Okay, and if you see, if you are not able to find out what's exactly the method name is, you can see here, once you write dt dot, it will show you this suggestion. Okay, here you can see all the methods: get day, get full year, hours, milliseconds, minutes, month, seconds, all things are there. Okay, get time as well there, but get time is used for something else. It will not going to return the value which we are thinking which will return, but it's not. So we have to get this way only. We have to have get hour, month and second, then only we can get the proper time. Okay, and let's print this as well, minutes, and I'll say minutes. Okay, so let's do for second as well, and then we can try to print it. Okay, dt dot get seconds. Okay, and let's print up this one. Yeah. So now you see, I have called hours dt dot get hours, dt dot get minutes, dt dot get seconds. Okay, which will going to return the current time. Okay. Right now we can see that what is the second, but at least we have the minute and hour in the bottom. So let's try to uh, run this file and see if we are able to get that. Okay. Now you see we got hour as 16, minutes as 22 and seconds as 10. Okay, but we can see here the hours is 16 and the minutes is 22. Okay, so it is returning the current time. Okay, and one more thing we have in this is one method we can use to extract the time directly. We don't need to use minute, second, hour. Okay, so what we can do is, let's have a console and let's say here dt dot uh, to local time string. Okay, this is the method you have to use, to local time string and then function braces. It will going to return the time. time string. Okay, the current time string is there, right? So that it will going to return. So now you see, if I can zoom it up, you can see it's showing 4:22:54 p.m. as well. Okay, so this is the 12 hours clock, so that's why it's showing like 4:22:54 and it's a p.m. evening. Okay, so this is how you can use, if you don't want to use the other methods this way, you can use like two local time string. Okay, this method you can use to extract the current time. Okay. Yes. So as we saw how we can create a date object, and also we can how we can get the time, current time as well. Now let's see how we can get the current date. Okay, current date. So already we have this particular thing dt. I will directly use that only. So let's create a variable called year, and inside this I'll have like dt dot get full year. Okay, full year means the actual year it will going to return. Okay, so let's try to print this as well, or log it. I'll say year comma year. Okay, and now let's print this node 21st 5. Now you see I'm getting 2023 as the year. Okay, so same this way, what we can do is we can do month equal to dt dot get month, and we can print it month as well. Oh, H is missing. Yeah, and then we can have date equal to dt dot get date as well, and let's print that as well. Yep, now let's print this and let's see what is the output which we are getting it. Okay, so 21, and now you see there is a catch. Okay, you can see year we got 2023, month we got 11, but it is a 12th month. This is December. Okay, and date we have 16. Okay, so what will happen is whenever we have month, okay, month is like 12 months we have, right? So 12 months we have, but this method will going to return the months from 0 to 11. Okay, 0 to 11. So 0 it will consider as January, and 11 is it will consider as December. So whenever we are doing this one, what we have to do is we have to do +1. Okay, for in order to get the exact number. Okay, if you want to consider January as 1 and December as 12, we have to do +1. Okay, that's the one thing we can do. And if I print this again, we'll notice it will have 12. Okay, you can see 2023, 12 and 16. Okay, so this is how you can print the current date as well. And similar to the time, we have one single method by which you can get the whole date extracted. Okay, so that will be dt dot to local date string. Okay, so earlier it's time string, now it's a date string. Okay, so if I print this, you will notice that it will going to print the whole date. Okay, now you see we are getting 16/12/2023. That's the date. Okay, so that's the current date we are getting by using the date object. Okay, and one more method we have, if you want to combinedly get, okay, date plus time. So that time what you can do is you can use dt dot to local string. That's it, nothing else, no date, no time. Okay, to local string, that's it. And once you print this, you will get the output. So but before that, I'll just comment on these things. So we should be having only this thing. Okay, so yeah, node 21, I'll just increase the size of this. And yep, now you see, with the help of only two local string method, I am able to print current date as well as the current time. Okay, so this is how the dates object will work. Yes, so this is about the dates objects in JavaScript. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and give it a like. I'll be back with more content in the next video. Thank you.